Wimdu Booking Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll review Wimdu, a vacation rental platform that connects travelers with private accommodations worldwide. Links to the platform are in the description below. Wimdu was originally marketed as the European alternative to Airbnb, offering a mix of apartments, villas, and unique stays in cities and holiday destinations. It aimed to provide a more local and authentic travel experience compared to traditional hotels. The platform featured a wide selection of short-term rentals, appealing to budget-conscious travelers, families, and digital nomads looking for affordable accommodations with more space and amenities than hotels. With an intuitive search function, users could filter listings by price, location, property type, and guest reviews. One of Wimdu's biggest advantages was its strong presence in Europe, especially in major cities like Berlin, Paris, and Barcelona. However, Wimdu officially shut down in 2018, which means it is no longer an active booking platform. While it once competed with Airbnb and Booking.com in the vacation rental space, it struggled with market competition and operational costs. If you're looking for alternatives, platforms like Airbnb, Vrbo, and Plum Guide offer similar private rental options with better availability and updated listings. If you are considering Wimdu, I'd recommend checking the links in the description for trusted vacation rental platforms that provide secure bookings, verified listings, and guest reviews. Let me know in the comments if you have experience with Wimdu or if you're looking for the best alternative for your travel needs.